So I usually don't do stories like this because it's not my thing. And my friend Kevin told me, you know, you really have to post the story on Facebook, just like write it out and post it on Facebook. But this is this is such a good story, and you have to listen to it. And you have to, you know, see the visual, I guess. So my daughter, I'm a sparkler mom. My daughter twirled tonight at the Long Island Ducks game, and we were at City Field in Central Islip, and you know, Central Islip, it's really not the best place. And my husband, who had just had surgery, he actually came out tonight, but he got really tired and wasn't feeling well, so he left with my mom and my son and left my daughter with me. So you know, finally 8:30 rolls around. It was only the fourth inning. My daughter's like, "Ma, God, I'm tired. I want to go home. I have camp tomorrow." I'm like, "Okay, fine, let's leave." So say goodbye to everybody, and we leave the stadium, and it's just me and Catherine, and we're walking into like this parking structure, and you know, it's not a good place to be anyway. It's really not a great town, and Catherine and I are walking, and it's dusk, and we're the only people on the street. Like, we cross the street and, you know, scurry around. We're walking, but Catherine has the hiccups, so like you hear us, you know, our footsteps going, and then every now and again you hear, you know, so I'm like, "Aw, Catherine, well, you have the hiccups?" She's like, "Yeah, I have the hiccups." So one way that I know to get the hiccups away from somebody is by scaring them. Scaring them. Mom of the year, I know. So anyway, oh my God. All right, so you know, take a couple more steps, and she lets go of my hand. She's got this stupid foam finger, you know, whatever. She's walking, and you know, quickly, I know I'm a large woman, but quickly I go, "Ha!" Like, and she's 7, so she's, I'm a big girl, like I'm 5'10", and I go, "Ha!" Like, you know, and I try to scare her. And she goes, "Mommy." You know? So I go, "Oh, what? I didn't scare you, Catherine?" And she goes, okay. So Catherine goes, she goes, "No, you didn't scare me." And from behind me, from behind me here, "You might not have scared her, but I have to change my pants." I look behind me, and there's this man. Oh my God. There's this man there, and he's like 80 years old, and he's got his pants pulled all the way up, and I scared him. I didn't mean